So I've got the DJI Mic Mini 2, and today I'll be showing you how to connect two microphones or both microphones to your phone using the receiver. So if you bought the full package of the DJI Mic Mini 2, then you also get a receiver in your box, and then you also get this little Type-C connector. Now, if you want to connect both microphones to your phone, then you do need this receiver. Okay, so basically what you need to do is open up this little door. So on the receiver at the bottom, there's going to be this little door with two lines. So you just need to slide that open. That's going to reveal these connection points. Now with these connection points, just pick up this Type-C connector. It also has connection points, and basically what you need to do is slide it in. Okay, so make sure these two arrows are pointing in the same direction, and then just put it in those grooves and slide it like this. Once it sits properly like that, and this side is completely flush, then this is ready to go into your phone. Could be an iPhone or an Android phone. Now, for iPhone, it has to be one of these newer iPhones because this is Type-C. All right, so you plug it into the Type-C port of your iPhone. Simple as that. It's gonna connect. There you go. Now, the next thing you want to do is make sure you connect these microphones to this. Okay. Now you can see currently they're not connected. You can see the mic 1 and mic 2 go here. So what you need to do is put both microphones in pairing mode at the same time. So you need to grab both of them, okay, and press the pairing button on both microphones at the same time. So 1 and 2. Press and hold until both are blinking red and green. Now you go to the receiver and also press and hold the pairing button. And then put them close. One is connected, the other one is connected, and you can tell they're connected because it's going to be a steady light. Okay. Now also confirm on the microphone that there's a steady light on both microphones. Steady green light. Now that means our microphones are now connected via the transmitter. Via the receiver. So you can confirm that by going to settings. If you have an iPhone, if you have Android, just go to the sound input settings. So for iPhone, that's going to be sound and haptics. And then you go to input and you can see wireless mic RX. Okay. So now you can even use the default video camera app and you can use both microphones connected like that. So that's how to connect two microphones from DJI Mic Mini via the receiver. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, feel free to talk to us down in the comment section. Good luck.